Hello. Have you ever wondered why we have towering mountains, deep ocean trenches, and even earthquakes that shake the ground? The answer lies in the fascinating theory of plate tectonics. Imagine Earth's outer layer as a giant puzzle made up of huge, moving pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are constantly shifting and interacting, and it's their movement that shapes our planet's surface. One of the most dramatic effects of plate tectonics is continental drift. Over millions of years, the continents have slowly moved and changed their position. Once all the land masses were joined together in a supercontinent called Pangaea. But over time, the plates drifted apart, creating the continents we know today. This slow plate movement can also lead to the formation of new land when two plates move away from each other. This is called a constructive fault. This movement causes magma to rise from Earth's interior, creating new crust and forming features like mid-ocean ridges and rift valleys. Plate tectonics can also cause more rapid changes in Earth's surface. When two plates move in opposite direction as they push against each other, they can create immense pressure and friction. When these plates suddenly slip, this can lead to earthquakes, which are sudden, violent shaking of the ground. In some cases, the collision of plates can also cause one plate to slide beneath another in the process called subduction. This destructive fault can lead to the formation of volcanoes where molten rock or magma erupts onto the surface. The collision of tectonic plates can also lead to the formation of mountains where two continental plates collide. They push against each other, causing the Earth's crust to buckle and fold. This can create towering mountain ranges like the Himalayas, which are still growing today. So the next time you look at a mountain, earthquake, or volcano, remember that these are all signs of the dynamic forces of plate tectonics at work. Earth is a constantly changing planet, and the theory of plate tectonics helps us understand the processes that shape its surface. I hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of plate tectonics. Thank you for watching.